Welcome back. This is question number 7, Lab 11, Business 355. Here we're looking at time and material pricing. So we need to be able to calculate a time charge plus a material charge for work done on repair services for small engines by Northco. Northco does lots of different stuff. This is one of the things they do. So their mechanics wages and benefits are $928,000. The other repair costs, which need to be charged out as well and recovered, $406,000. And so all of those costs need to be allocated somehow. So they expect to have $58,000 of billable repair time. Those two costs need to be allocated over that. And they need to add a $7 per hour profit for each mechanic's time, in addition to recovering the cost of the wages, benefits, and other repair costs. Also says that the competitive markup on parts is 36% of invoice cost. So they'll have to cover the invoice cost plus the cost of ordering, handling, and storing, which is 43%, plus another 36% to cover the markup. So we need to calculate the time rate and the material loading charge that should be used to bill the jobs. Excuse me. So please make sure your time rate is accurate to the nearest dollar and material loading charge is accurate to the nearest percentage. Okay, good enough. So we need to take, put it in brackets, 928,000. The mechanics cost plus the other repair costs of 406,000, and step outside the brackets here, divide that by 58,000 hours. So those are dollars divided by hours. That gives us a rate per hour. But we also need to add the $7 profit per hour that we need to make. So we need to charge $30 per hour. The material loading charge, we need to recover 100% of the invoice cost, plus another 43% for the cost of ordering and handling, plus another 36. Whoops, that's oh, 1,000. No, we don't need that many zeros. So the total material handling charge is, or the total material charge is 179% of the invoice cost. But of course, the first 100 is the cost of the invoice, so we can get rid of that. We're just calculating the markup here, right? So we want the material loading charge. We don't want the total charge. So we charge them for the price of the cost of the parts. Then we add a 43% cost for ordering, handling, and storing costs, plus a 36% charge for the markup. So $30 per hour for labor, 79% on top of the cost of the parts for the material loading charge. Now, one of the mechanics has just finished a repair job that took 9 hours and cost $400 in parts. Those aren't very small, small engines. So 9 hours times $30 per hour, plus we need to charge 400, plus we need to charge 400 times 0.79, whoops, 79. So 986. So once again, that's $9 per hour, or 9 hours times $30 per hour, plus the $400 for the parts, plus a markup on the parts of 79%. The material loading charge. Let's see what Lyrics thought. Lyrics agrees. We are done.